Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Lima Ranch Do It Yourself. Today we're working on sticker removal. Everybody's had this problem once or twice where you buy something that has a sticker on the bottom or somewhere and you want to get it off. So I'm going to show you the way that I'm doing it, and it makes things a lot easier. So what we bought, we have an upcoming wedding, and we bought these rattan lamps, and so they light up inside and really cool, but we're gonna hang them. And on the bottom of these there was a sticker, a big sticker, so we didn't want to have a whole bunch of people looking from underneath and seeing a sticker on them, so I had to remove them. But you can see it's nice and painted. I didn't want to ruin the paint job on there. So scraping off a big sticker without having to damage the paint, that's what we're gonna work on. Okay, so you can see that I've already removed part of the sticker on 3 of those, but I still have 1 left on that. So what I'm finding is you go to peel it off and the top layer comes off, but you're left with all the rest of the stuff underneath. So what we're working on is trying to get that off without damaging the bottom, like I said, with that paint. So we're first using Goo Gone. So once we get the top layer off, I'm spraying it with this, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes. As I'm letting it sit for 5 minutes, it's going down and eating up all of the adhesive that's underneath there, starting to make it dissolve. Now, after I've let that sit for 4 or 5 minutes, I'm gonna use what's called a plastic razor blade. This is a really handy tool. It's just like a regular flat razor blade, but it's made out of plastic. So this particular razor blade, got it off on Amazon. I'm leaving the link down below. After I let this sit for a little bit, then I'll just go in and start working on the sides of it. And you can see how it's now starting to lift up. It was not doing this a second ago, and you can see how the whole thing just kind of slides. Now, like I said, it makes it so much easier if you wait 5 minutes or so, and then I'm able to get underneath there, but you can see it's not damaging any of the paint underneath. So I'm just going to continue to scrape this off. Not all of them come up like this in one piece, so this one's actually doing really good. But once I get that scraped off, that's what's left of the sticker. I'll put that off to the side. Now there is just a little bit of a residue still on here, so I'm just going to get some of the Goo Gone and just kind of get it back in there and just go over it one more time with the razor blade. You can see there's just a little bit of a buildup still coming off, but I'm able to go back through, get that residue off, and then I'll just use a paper towel and just kind of start wiping up all the excess of the Goo Gone. So that makes that extremely easy, and this works great for cars. If you have a decal on your car, to get it off, there's a lot of applications for this where you don't want to damage the paint, but you're able to remove the stickers and leave a perfect finish. All right, so we're going to start working on getting this big sticker off using the same technique. So I don't know if it's necessary to pull the top layer of the sticker off, because that already separated. So in this case, I guess you can kind of play around with it. I do know it is faster, and you don't have to wait near as long if you get the top layer off of the sticker first, and then you can see how much easier these stickers just come right off with this little razor blade, just like that. So highly recommend it. Makes your job so much easier. Like I said, I'll leave a link in down below in the description for this guy as well as the Goo Gone. So if you found this helpful, give me a like and please subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next video.